Hello viewers, let's see advanced level questions. A vertical tower stands on a declivity which is inclined 15 degrees to the horizon. From the foot of the tower, a man ascends the declivity for 80 feet and then finds that the tower subtends an angle of 30 degrees. The height of the tower is. So now let's draw the diagram. There is a declivity, so it is declining. A man on this inclined plane, which is 15 degrees to the horizon, there is an inclined plane. At some point, a tower is there. Let the tower is here. This is the tower. From the foot of the tower, a man walked for 80 feet and he reaches some point. On this declivity, when he is standing here at this point A, he finds that the tower subtends an angle of 30 degrees. So, the tower total, the complete tower subtends an angle at point A. How much? 30 degrees. The height of the tower is, let the height of the tower be h. So, here what is the angle? 75 degrees, total 90, 15 plus 75, 90. Already 30 means the other two angle sum should be 150. So, 75 means the remaining angle is 75. Now, let us assume it's ABC. So, now apply sine rule. CA by sin 75 in the triangle ABC, apply sine rule. CA by sin 75 is equal to opposite side BC h by sin 30 degrees. So, sin 75 value if we can find, we will get the answer. Therefore, h is sin 30 divided by sin 75. We can split that into sin 45 plus 30 into CA. CA how much? It's 80 feet. Sin 30 is half into 80 divided by sin 45 plus 30. Sin A plus B gives us sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin 45 1 by root 2, sin cos 30 root 3 by 2 plus cos 45 1 by root 2 sin 30 1 by 2, that is equal to 2 gets cancelled in numerator and denominator. So, 80 root 2 divided by, in denominator it will be root 3 plus 1, that is equal to 80 root 2 into root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 it will be. So, that gives us 40 into root 2 into root 3, root 6 minus 1 into root 2, root 2. So, we get 40 into root 6 minus root 2. Next question. At the foot of a mountain, the elevation of its summit is 45 degrees. After ascending 2 kilometers towards the mountain upon an incline of 30 degrees, the elevation changes to 60 degrees. So, let us draw the diagram. So, from a point at the foot of the mountain, there is a mountain at some random shape. On this mountain, let this is the foot of the mountain. So, at this point this is 45 degrees. If you see the summit of the mountain, if you see point P, that is the situation. But the mountain while climbing, actually the summit towards the summit, the inclination is only going at 30 degrees rate. So, after reaching some point, now again the summit point, so the elevation changed of the summit point to 60 degrees. From point A, the summit, the angle of elevation is 45 degrees. From A to B, after climbing towards the summit, from A to B on a inclination of 30 degrees, the elevation of the P changed to 60 means after reaching point B, the summit point P appears with an elevation of 60 degrees. That's it, the question. So, what are the values given? Let us see. AB, the walk 2 kilometers, 2 kilometers walk, right? Let's join this point. As it is given 45 degrees, AC should be equal to PC. So, let PC is H, AC should be H. In this 30 degrees triangle, if it is 2, if it is 1, and its multiplication will be root 3, means AD is equal to root 3. So, DC will be equal to H minus root 3. Similarly, BE, here if it is 1, we will find BE. BE will be PE by root 3. So, what is the value of PE first? That is equal to H minus 1, because EC is equal to 1. EC is equal to 1. So, PE is H minus 1. So, BE will be H minus 1 by root 3. So, if B is H minus 1 by root 3, from the equation BE is equal to DC, we can write H minus 1 by root 3 is equal to H minus root 3. After cross multiplication, we get H minus 1 is equal to root 3 H minus 3. So, root 3 minus 1 into H is equal to 3 minus 1, 2. So, this implies H is equal to 2 by root 3 minus 1, that is equal to, we will get root 3 plus 1. Thank you very much for watching this video.